Hey everybody, it's Tony here from the Pixel Perfect app, and one of the questions I get most asked is how do I create custom audiences, custom conversions, and segment out by niche, which can be a real pain in the ass to do with some methods, but is really easy with the Pixel Perfect app. So today I'm just going to give you a quick run through of how to use the app to do exactly that. And we're also going to segment out the product catalog and create subsets of the catalog, so only niche products in a subset of the catalog as well. So in the app dashboard, if you look down to the back end here, you can see enable niche custom event pixel and niche product feed. So if you enable that, check that box and hit the save button at the bottom, that will automatically include niche information with the pixel event and with your product feed. And there's a little video you can click here, what does this do and how do I do it. A little YouTube will pop up, you can watch the YouTube and it'll explain how that works. So having done that, the first thing we need to do is to segment out our products in Shopify by niche. So we go over to Shopify and we pick a product. Most people know I sell lingerie. This is my own store, so this is what I do. So the first thing we've got here is product type of shorts. Now the Pixel Perfect app will automatically include the product type anyway, so this product will be tagged shorts, so you can segment out by shorts if you want to do that. Or down here you can see there is a tag dropped on it, pp_genera. So my niche that I'm interested in is the word genera, and we put pp_ to identify that this is the tag we're going to use to identify the niche. So we only put the pp_ here. We don't need to use that anywhere else. We just need to use the word genera, and the app will strip that out for you. So that's our two things. We've got product type of shorts, and down here we've got a niche of genera. So I'm going to create a custom conversion, and what we want to pick is people that have added the niche to cart. So basically this is a niche add to cart event. So instead of normal add to cart, which is people who've added anything to cart on our store, what we're trying to create is an add to cart event of people that have just added the niche to cart. And we can use that for retargeting or any one of a number of purposes. But the optimization here is for add to cart. We can do purchase, we can do whatever, but we're going to do an add to cart one. So we'll create the conversion and we'll go for an event. And so these are the events we can choose. We can do purchase, initiate, checkout, add to cart, whatever. So we're going to do an add to cart. And then we're going to select either the product type or the niche. And going back to our little, whoops, wrong one. Going back to our product here, we can do it by product type, which in this case is shorts. Or we can do it by niche, in this case is genera. So I'm going to do it by niche. So I'm going to select the niche contains genera. What sort of category is it? Well, this is an add to cart or an add to basket. So we want to make sure that the event we're selecting is add to cart, and what it is most like is an add to cart event. So basically we're creating a niche add to cart conversion. Next, we'll give it a name, test, and we are done. That's it, we're done. So what will happen is as people add the niche to cart, this number will start to click up. There's no activity yet because nobody's taken the action, and it's not historic. In the way that you build an audience up over the last 30 days, this is not historic. This is from today forward. And we'll give it a go with purchase. I've never tried this on purchase before, so let's see what happens. We'll go for event, purchase, and we will select parameter of niche, and niche contains genera. Bingo. And the category is this one is a purchase event. So what's different about Pixel Perfect over other apps is that if you make a purchase and you buy one item other apps report that fine. They just go, yeah, that's fine. If you buy 2, 3, 4, 5 things in your cart, or there's 2, 3, 4, 5 things in your order, potentially they can be from different niches. So if you're a pet store, maybe they bought a cat product and a dog product in one order. So by doing it this method and tagging the niche, what we actually do is pass the niche for every item in the basket. So if there's 2 items with different niches, and if you use the Chrome Pixel Helper tool, you'll see this. You'll see all of those niches are passed correctly, and all of those product types are passed correctly. So 1 item, 2 items, 3 items, 10 items, 100 items, all of those are tagged. So your numbers will report properly based on the number of products that have been purchased or added to cart, as opposed to the number of orders. So that's kind of where we do things a little bit differently, and you can use product type, or you can use the niche, and you can select so you can say, they're shorts and they are cat shorts or dog shorts, or it's a t-shirt and it's a cat t-shirt, or it's a t-shirt and it's a dog t-shirt. So you can build that up quite comprehensively. And let's try and quickly show you the same thing but on the catalogue. Let's go back over to business.facebook.com, see if I can find a catalogue. Let's go pick this is my UK product catalogue here. The warnings are the bloody image sizes, but within the app we've got a mechanism to fix that as well. Just haven't bothered doing it yet. So we go to product sets. I'm going to create a product set. I'm going to give it a name. So this one's called test. Actually, I'm going to call it test 2 because I think I might have already got a test. And what we have to select on this one, because the way Facebook works is it doesn't allow you to add an extra niche field here. So we need to select product type, contains, and you can see you've got the choice of shorts or genera here. So I'm going to go for genera. Actually, I'm going to go for shorts just for the hell of it. Shorts. There. So we've had to fiddle Facebook by appending the niche to the product type. So it will say shorts and genera, because it does not support the ability for us to pass the niche within the product set. I suspect that's coming, and when it does, we'll be right there to support it. But right now we're having to fiddle it. So what we're doing is we're creating a product set that only contains shorts or only contains our niche. And then for dynamic product ads, we can have an audience of people that viewed the niche, and we can show them products that are in that niche, and we can optimize the conversion by people most likely to buy that niche. And that is a real powerful thing to do. The more numbers you get on your store, the better this works. And speaking from my own experience and that some of our customers, it's a really powerful thing to do. So that's just a quick overview of how this works with the tagging. Easy peasy, doesn't get any easier. And that's niche tagging, niche events with Pixel Perfect.